Now, I purchased this Excel sheet a few days ago, and it has been a game changer. It's really made my business very efficient, because when you have many products in many different locations across Mumbai city, to track them, track where they are, what's their availability, if I purchase anything new based on a client request, then where am I going to store it, because I need it somewhere close to where my clients are, so that they can come and pick it up and then deliver it back again very quickly. So this Excel sheet has really helped me, because before I used to just keep a logbook where I would write stuff down. But now when I imported that data set into this Excel sheet, everything becomes super clear. On top of that, the dashboard feature that's in this Excel sheet really helps me to gauge the profitability of my business, because it can be very, very difficult to track the profitability of a business, especially if it's something to do with something that's as expensive as video equipment that you're not even selling, you're just renting out. Finally, another feature that I liked about this Excel sheet was the invoicing feature. So instead of writing stuff down on an invoice and then having it given to the customer, this is just a simple way for me to track various invoices, but also to send invoices to the client, and just have it all written down, typed out nicely, printed out, and sent to the client. All of that was possible from just this one Excel sheet. Really would recommend anybody who's running any sort of retail business, pick this Excel sheet up. This is going to save your business, if not change the way you are running your business, because it's going to make things run so much more efficiently.